Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. Today we are going to learn how to write these three sentences shown on the screen in front of you. आज हम तीन जुमले लिखना सीखेंगे चीनी ज़बान में जो कि आपके सामने है. The first one is she's my mom. Second one is he's my dad. The third one is he's my elder brother. उर्दू में अगर मैं कहूँ तो पहला जुमला है वो मेरी अम्मी है, दूसरा वो मेरे अब्बू है, तीसरा जुमला है वो मेरे बड़े भाई है. तो इसको चीनी ज़बान में कैसे लिखेंगे? लेट्स प्रोसीड एंड गेट टू नो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट each and every word in these three sentences. Let's practice it together. So the first sentence is他是我的妈妈. Now I'm going to write its pinyin. So the pinyin for this sentence is 她是我的妈妈. I'm going to write the second sentence. So the second sentence is 她是我的爸爸.他是我的爸爸. The meaning of this sentence is 他是我的爸爸. Now I'm going to write the third sentence. The third sentence is 他是我的哥哥. I'm going to write the pinyin for this one too. So the pinyin for this is 他是我的哥哥. So this was all for today. I hope that you would have enjoyed today's lecture of writing Chinese characters, Chinese sentences. Let's meet each other in another interesting lecture about Chinese language. See you. 再见. Allah Hafiz. If you have any question about Chinese language, you can ask it in the comment section. I'll try to answer it.